So I have the Nintendo Switch here, and I'll be showing you how to force restart this device. Now let's say you've run into some problem and maybe the touch screen is not working or it's frozen for some reason and you want to force restart. Then you first of all have to force shutdown and then restart, and that completes the force restart process. So just go ahead and press the power button at the top there. So press and hold the power button. Just press and hold. Just keep holding until you see this screen. Just ignore it and continue holding until the screen goes off, and then now you can release. Give it a couple of seconds. So currently it's shut down and we just forced a shutdown. And so now to complete the forced restart, just restart normally by pressing the power button, and that should restart your Nintendo Switch. So that's basically how to force shutdown and subsequently force restart your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.